Hi everyone, this is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Chaudhary and I welcome you all to our channel वेदांतु कॉमर्स। तो आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे चैनल पे वेदांतु कॉमर्स पे। एंड आज यू ऑल वर रिक्वेस्टिंग कि मैम बता दो हम लोग पेटी कैश बुक कब करेंगे। सो here we are back with the most important topic, petty cash book. So, let me tell you first of all that I won't be able to reply to your lovely comments or your hi because this is going to be a premiered session. This is a recorded session. तो आज मैं आपके मैसेज का रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाऊंगी. And if you guys are new to our channel or you are watching our channel for the first time, you're watching this space for the first time, then please do subscribe our channel. Go and hit that red icon for more such classes. So go and hit that icon. Also do mark your attendance by clicking the thumbs up button. So go and hit the thumbs up button. Go and click the like button quickly to mark your attendance. And I know all my lovely students have already did it. तो आप सबने already like कर दिया है. जिसने नहीं किया जल्दी से जाओ अटेंडेंस मार्क करो और वीडियो को लाइक करो और शेयर भी करना है अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करो. And before starting the class, I want to know that how's the josh of my students? High, low, medium, somewhat high. आप लोगों का जोश एनर्जी कैसी है? I know that I can feel that you are all having the high josh, but still I want to know. So please tell me in the chat box, in the comments box, how is your josh? I can't see the comments, but I am sure that everyone is saying, ma'am, it is super high. Okay. So we'll be online whenever this class will be live. I will be there in the chat box to see your replies. So आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? As I have already told you, we are going to do petty cash book. So this is class 11th accountancy session. This is Udan batch. We all are ready to take the Udan. And in this we will do the subsidiary book chapter because cash book is also a subsidiary book. So name of the chapter is subsidiary book or cash book and the name of topic is simple petty cash book. So what we are going to do in this class, first I will be explaining you the meaning of simple petty cash book, then I'll explain you the objectives of simple petty cash book or you can say advantages of simple petty cash book. Then we will do the format of simple petty cash book and we will also do a question at the end of this session. So these are the topics that we are going to cover in this class, all about simple petty cash book. So are you guys ready? क्या आप क्लास के लिए तैयार है? Please tell me in the chat box below. Are you ready for this class? Yes or no? Sorry. Okay. So I know that you all are saying, ma'am, we are super ready. Jaldi se start karo. So, as usual, we will start with a question. And your question is a cash book that is used to record the small payments of cash. The cash book that is used to record the small payments of cash. It is generally called as. वो कैश बुक आप जिसमें छोटे छोटे पेमेंट रिकॉर्ड करते हो उसे क्या कहते हैं? सिंपल कैश बुक, 2 column cash book, 3 column cash book और petty cash book. Tell me your answers in the comments box and those who are watching the recorded class, those who are watching the class later on, let me know your answers in the chat box. तो बताइए बच्चों क्या आंसर होगा? A cash book that is used to record the small payment that is called as simple cash book, 2 column cash book, petty cash book, 3 column cash book. And I know I'm 100% sure that everyone is answering it correct. But I won't tell you the answer right now. But because this is a suspense, I will be telling you the answer at the end of the session and we'll see then कि who all have answered it correct. तो चलिए अभी के लिए क्लास को स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पेटी कैश बुक. पेटी कैश बुक का मतलब क्या है? अब हमने simple cash book kari. We have done the simple cash book. We have done the 2-column cash book. If you guys have not watched the other previous classes of this chapter, then all the recorded sessions are available on our channel. You can see the recorded sessions anytime. अगर आप हमारी पिछली क्लासेस को मिस कर चुके हैं तो डोंट वरी, go to our channel and check it out. Now we are going to see what is petty cash book. अब बच्चा बिजनेस में क्या होता है? whenever you are running a business there are large number of small payment. हमारे पास बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे खर्चे होते हैं. लाइक आपने कोई चाय खरीदी, आपने एक चिप्स का पैकेट खरीदा, आपने एक माचिस खरीदी, आपने कुछ भी XYZ खरीदा which is of very small amount. So there are lot of expenses like this. बहुत सारे खर्चे होते हैं जो छोटी छोटी अमाउंट के होते हैं एंड दे आर ऑन डेली बेसिस. हम डेली पे करते हैं. हम चिप्स का पैकेट डेली खरीदेंगे, चाय डेली खरीदेंगे और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम लोग डेली बेसिस पे करते हैं. नाउ दीज एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ स्मॉल पेमेंट, these expenses which are of small amount, these are called as petty expenses. Yes, I know that you are answering in the chat box, so well done. This is called as petty expenses. जितने भी आपके छोटे 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 खर्चे होते हैं उन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? petty expenses. अब अगर हम इन expenses को भी normal cash book में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, if all these petty expenses are to be recorded in the normal cash book, it will become so bulky. भाई इतने सारे खर्चे हैं, इन सबको आप कैश बुक में रिकॉर्ड कर लोगे तो कैश बुक इतनी मोटी बनेगी. कैश बुक विल बिकम अननेसेसरली बल्की. फालतू में कैश बुक बहुत बल्की बन जाएगी which we does not want at all, जो हमें बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहिए. तो what you will do for the petty expenses, we will prepare a separate book. For these petty expenses, we will prepare a separate book and that is called as petty cash book. तो पेटी एक्सपेंसेस के लिए, छोटे छोटे खर्चों के लिए एक अलग से बुक बनाई जाती है जिसको क्या नाम दिया गया है? पेटी कैश बुक. अब ये पेटी कैश बुक बनाएगा कौन? कौन बनाएगा पेटी कैश बुक? तो चलिए कहानी सुनते हैं. लेट्स लिसन टू अ स्टोरी. I am Sheetal. I am the मेन कैशियर और यू कैन कॉल मी हेड कैशियर. जो कैश का लेन देन है वो मैं देखती हूँ. आई एम लुकिंग आफ्टर ऑल दी कैश ट्रांजेक्शंस. नाउ मैं ऑलरेडी इतनी सारी कैश ट्रांजेक्शंस देख रही हूँ. अगर मुझे आप बोलोगे कि आप पेटी एक्सपेंसेस भी देखो, मैं बोलूँगी भाई कितना काम दोगे मुझे? एक अकेले नन्ही सी जान कितना काम करेगी? सो देर आर लॉट ऑफ पेटी एक्सपेंसेस. Now what I did, मेरे दिमाग की बत्ती जली, मैंने कैडबरी शॉट्स खाया एंड मुझे एक आइडिया आया कि ओके लेट्स अपॉइंट आकाश. Let's appoint Akash and Akash will look after all the petty expenses. हम आकाश को अपॉइंट करते हैं और अब आकाश सारे पेटी एक्सपेंसेस देखेगा. जो भी डेली बेसिस पे पेटी एक्सपेंसेस हो रहे हैं आकाश उन्हें रिकॉर्ड करेगा और आकाश ही उन्हें पे करेगा. सो द हेड कैशियर विल अपॉइंट अ पेटी कैशियर. आकाश को क्या बोलेंगे बच्चों हम? पेटी कैशियर. आकाश इज पेटी कैशियर एंड ही विल नाउ प्रिपेयर पेटी कैश बुक. सो पेटी कैश बुक इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय होम. कौन बनाता है पेटी कैश बुक? Petty cash book is prepared by petty cashier. Petty cash book will be prepared by petty cashier and at the end of specified period, at the end of a week, at the end of the month, at the end of a quarter, the petty cashier will hand over this petty cash book to the main cashier. आकाश क्या करेगा, कुछ टाइम बाद ये पेटी कैश बुक दे देगा अपने मालिक को, शीतल मैम को. आई एम सॉरी. So the petty cash book is prepared by petty cashier and after a specified period. I am not saying after a month. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है बच्चों. It can be a week, it can be a fortnight, it can be a month, it can be a quarter. So after a specified period, the petty cashier will hand over this petty cash book to the main cashier. So this is the system. How is petty cash book is prepared. Now let's jump on to the meaning. So here you can see the meaning. This book is used for recording payment of petty expenses. In petty cash book we are recording what? We are recording petty expenses which are of small amount, जो छोटे छोटे amount के हैं, like postage, stationery, conveyance means traveling expenses and refreshment. So these all expenses are of small amount and therefore they are petty expenses and they are recorded in the petty cash book. So just give me 1 second. 1 minute दो. Okay, so I'm back and this was the meaning of your petty cash book. I hope it is clear to everyone. So tell me, is it clear? Yes or no? समझ आया petty cash book क्या होती है, कौन बनाता है? Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now coming on to the next thing. The next thing is again same. I have explained you that, मैंने आपको बताया था कि अगर ये पेमेंट आप मेन कैश बुक में रिकॉर्ड करोगे तो जो कैश बुक है वो क्या हो जाएगी, ओवरबर्डन हो जाएगी और बल्कि हो जाएगी, भारी हो जाएगी आपकी कैश बुक. एंड टू अवॉइड दिस, इसको अवॉइड करने के लिए हम एक पर्सन को अपॉइंट करेंगे. मेनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेजिग्नेट अपॉइंट वन मोर कैशियर. टू अवॉइड दिस we will appoint one more person, Akash, who is also known as petty cashier, who will maintain this petty cash book, this separate cash book to record these transactions. And such a cash book is managed by petty cashier and is known as petty cash book. तो ये सारी राम कथा मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी सुना दी है. अब चलते हैं, व्हाट आर दी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पेटी कैश बुक. अब आप बोलोगे पेटी कैश बुक भी अलग अलग टाइप की होती है, तो हाँ बच्चों बिल्कुल. पेटी कैश बुक इज ऑल्सो सब डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 कैटेगरीज. वन इज सिंपल पेटी कैश बुक and the second is analytical petty cash book. In this class we will do simple petty cash book and in next class we will do analytical petty cash book. तो petty cash book कितने टाइप की होती है? 2 टाइप की. एक होती है सिंपल और एक होती है एनालिटिकल. एंड आज हम क्या करेंगे? सिंपल पेटी कैश बुक. अब हम ये सिंपल पेटी कैश बुक बना क्यों रहे हैं? व्हाई आर वी प्रिपेयरिंग इट? What are the benefits of preparing the simple petty cash book or petty cash book? So what are the advantages of petty cash book? तो चलिए देखते हैं क्या फायदे हैं पेटी कैश बुक बनाने के. The first benefit is simple method. भाई ट्रांजेक्शन्स आपको सिंपली रिकॉर्ड करनी है. इट इज लाइक सिंपल, इट इज लाइक योर कैश बुक ओनली. You will record all the receipt on the debit side, all the payment on the credit side. आपको अगर पैसा मिल रहा है तो डेबिट साइड रिकॉर्ड करो, अगर पैसा पे कर रहे हो, पेमेंट है तो क्रेडिट साइड रिकॉर्ड करो. सो रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन इन पेटी कैश बुक इज इजी. और एनालिटिकल पेटी कैश बुक में क्या होता है? एनालिटिकल पेटी कैश बुक में हम हर खर्चे का एक अलग से कॉलम बना देते हैं. लाइक पोस्टेज के लिए एक अलग कॉलम होगा, कन्वेंस के लिए एक अलग कॉलम होगा, रिपेयर्स के लिए एक अलग कॉलम होगा, स्टेशनरी के लिए एक अलग कॉलम होगा. तो एनालिटिकल पेटी कैश बुक में we are analyzing the expenses, so we have a separate column for each expense. So in analytical petty cash book there exist separate heads, separate column for different expenses. एनालिटिकल पेटी कैश बुक में एक अलग से कॉलम होता है हर खर्चे के लिए, which makes the recording very easier. आपको पता है ये पोस्टेज है, पोस्टेज के कॉलम में डाल दो. आपको पता है ये स्टेशनरी का खर्चा है, स्टेशनरी के कॉलम में डाल दो. आपको पता है रिपेयर्स का खर्चा है, रिपेयर्स के कॉलम में डाल दो. सिंपल. सो वी हैव अ सेपरेट कॉलम ऑलरेडी फॉर ईच एक्सपेंस, सो द रिकॉर्डिंग बिकम्स मच इजियर. बहुत आसान बन जाती है रिकॉर्डिंग. आपको कोई प्रिंसिपल की नॉलेज होनी जरूरी नहीं है, आपको कोई स्पेशल नॉलेज की जरूरत नहीं है. So it does not require formal knowledge of accounting principle and technique. आपका पढ़ा लिखा होना बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है, सिर्फ आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि ये कौन सा खर्चा है और आप उसको उसी कॉलम में रिकॉर्ड कर दोगे. So this is the simple method and this is the first advantage. अब अगला एडवांटेज क्या है? टाइम सेविंग. So second is time saving. अब अगर कोई चीज इजी होती है तो हम उसको फटाफट से कर लेते हैं जल्दी से. सो एज इट इज सिंपल इट विल सेव योर टाइम एंड इट विल सेव योर एफर्ट्स. आपकी मेहनत बचेगी और आपका टाइम भी बचेगा. सो रिकॉर्डिंग इन पेटी कैश बुक सेव्स टाइम एंड एफर्ट्स ऑफ द चीफ कैशियर. जो मेन कैशियर है उसको तो कुछ नहीं करना ना, उसका क्या बच गया? टाइम बच गया, उसकी मेहनत बच गई, क्योंकि सारा काम कौन कर रहा है? पेटी कैशियर. तो जो चीफ कैशियर है, जो मेन कैशियर है, उसको थोड़ा रिलैक्स फील होगा क्योंकि उसका काम क्या हो गया? कम हो गया. सो इट सेव्स द टाइम एंड एफर्ट्स ऑफ द चीफ कैशियर ऑफ मेन कैशियर. क्योंकि मेरा काम कौन कर रहा है? अब आकाश कर रहा है, तो मेरा टाइम तो बच गया ना, तो आई विल बी हैप्पी. Coming to the third advantage. थर्ड एडवांटेज है बच्चों एफिशिएंट कंट्रोल. अब आप एक पीरियड के एंड पे, एट द एंड ऑफ द वीक, एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ, पेटी कैश बुक इज ऑडिटेड बाय द मेन कैशियर. मैंने आपको बताया था दैट आफ्टर अ स्पेसिफाइड पीरियड Akash will hand over the petty cash book to the main cashier. आकाश वो पेटी कैश बुक मुझे दे देगा. तो जब आकाश मुझे वो पेटी कैश बुक देगा, मैं उसको चेक करूंगी कि ये जो खर्चा है ये सच्ची में पे हुआ था या आकाश ने झूठा खर्चा दिखाया है. आकाश ने अपनी जेब में तो पैसे नहीं रख लिए. So I will audit each and every transaction. I will check the petty cash book thoroughly. So at the end of the period, petty cash book is audited, is checked by main cashier so that frauds and errors are less probable. ताकि कम chances हो fraud और गलतियों के. And the last we have is convenient handling. So what do we mean by convenient handling? Now, recording in petty cash book is convenient. Why it is convenient? Because हमें entries अलग अलग heads में record करनी है. In analytical petty cash book हमारे पास अलग अलग head सबके लिए है. We have a separate head for each expense. So it is convenient to record the transaction in the petty cash book, which makes the posting easier and quicker. So it is convenient handling. So these are the 4 benefits of petty cash book. The first one was simple method. The second one was saves time and efforts. The third one is efficient handling. And the fourth is, efficient control. And the fourth is convenient handling. So tell me, is this clear to everyone? Yes or no? सबको समझ आया हाँ या ना बच्चों? Okay, so I hope that it is clear to everyone. If you guys have any doubts, you can write down it in the comments box. I will be answering it later on. Okay, so now let's see what is the format of petty cash book. Petty cash book का format क्या है? So सबसे पहले आप record करोगे. As I told you, on debit side, we record amount received. So this is your first column, amount received. This is your first column, amount received. Then we will make one column for cash book folio. अब ये cash book folio क्या है मैम? तो the transactions of petty cash book are transferred to the cash book. The transfers of the transaction of petty cash book are transferred to the normal cash book. And the page number to which it is transferred, that page number will be written in the cash book folio. तो किस पेज पे आपने ट्रांसफर किया है वो पेज नंबर यहाँ लिखा जाएगा. So amount received, cash book folio, then we have date, then we have particulars, then we have voucher number, and then we have amount paid. Then we have amount paid. So this is your credit side on which you are recording amount paid, and this is your debit side on which you are recording amount received. अब बच्चे सोच रहे होंगे मैम यहाँ तो हमें एक ही कॉलम दिखाई दे रहा है डेट का, लेकिन कैश बुक में तो दो कॉलम होते थे, डेट पर्टिकुलर्स LF अमाउंट, डेट पर्टिकुलर्स LF अमाउंट. So this is the difference in the simple petty cash book. In the petty cash book, there is only one column for date and one column for particular. This is common. ये दोनों common है. It is common for both amount paid and amount received. So if you are receiving money, you will record date. You will record date 1st January to bank. You received money, so you will record here 50,000. And if you are making payment, then also it will be recorded here 5th January by stationery. Amount will be written in amount paid by stationery, by postage, by repairs. So date and particulars are common for both amount received and amount paid. So there will be only one column for date and only one column for particulars in the petty cash book. And in the normal cash book there are two columns, but यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक column होगा. So here you can see the format of your simple petty cash book. So this is your format. Have a look at it. Amount received, cash book folio, date, particulars, voucher number, and amount paid. This is your debit side. This is your credit side. So please have a look at the format. इसको अपने दिमाग में छाप लो अच्छे से. This is how the petty cash book is prepared. Amount received, cash book folio, date, particulars, voucher number, amount paid. Okay, I hope you all have seen the format now. So it's time to apply the format to the question. It's time to solve the question. So So now we will be solving an example, and here we have your question. So you can see the question. The question says, Mr. Rohit, the petty cashier, Mr. Rohit, the petty cashier of Messer Samaira Traders received 2000. He is receiving 2000. So you will record this on the debit side. You received 2000 on 1st May from the head cashier. So first of all, we will record this 2000. Let me show you. So this is your format: amount received, cash book folio, date, particulars, voucher number, amount paid. This is the format. Now on 1st May, cash is received. So record on the debit side 2000. On debit side 2000. So we received amount, it will be recorded on the debit side. After this, there are all the transactions are expenses. Auto fare, you are paying, you are making payment. Courier service, postal stamp, eraser, speed postage, taxi fare, refreshment, these all are your expenses. These all are your payment. So they will be recorded on the credit side. They will be recorded on the credit side. Let me show you. You will record auto fare on the credit side 55, courier service 40, then postal stamp, eraser, sharpener, pencil, speed post, taxi fare, everything is recorded on the credit side. These all are your expenses, and not only this, we have some more transaction: auto fare, postal charges, telegram, cartage, computer stationery, bus fare, STD call charge, office sanitation. So these all are again expenses, and therefore they will be recorded on the credit side. तो ये सारे के सारे खर्चे कहाँ रिकॉर्ड होंगे? They will be recorded on the credit side. Refreshment, auto fare, registered postal charges 42, telegram 34, cartage 25, computer stationery 165, then bus fare 24, STD call charges 87, office sanitation 36 plus 24, 60. All your expenses are recorded on the credit side. After recording all the expenses, you will do the total of all the expenses. You will do the total of all the expenses. So we will add all these expenses. सारे खर्चे क्या कर दोगे? Add कर दोगे. All these expenses will be added. Now the total of expenses is 1300. And you will add all these expenses. The total will be 1300. So from amount received, you will subtract the total expenses. From amount received, you will subtract the total expenses, and the difference will be your closing balance at the end of the month. So जो answer है 700, it is your closing balance. So here we have your closing balance. By balance carried down, 2000 minus 1300, 700. So this is how we have to prepare petty cash book, and it is one of the simplest method, guys, one of the simplest topic. We have to record amount received on the debit side in amount received column, and all the payments will be recorded on credit side in amount paid column. After recording all the expenses, do the total of all the expenses, and then From amount received, we will subtract all the expenses, and the difference will be your closing balance by balance carried down 700. So this was your question. Now tell me, is it clear to everyone? If you guys have any doubts, you can ask it to me. So please tell me quickly. Is it clear, guys? So if you have any doubts, you can write it down in the comments box, not in the live chat. Write it in the comments box so that I can read it later on and can answer you. So I will be answering all your doubts after the class. So please write it down in the comments box if you have any doubts in this entire session. And you remember that in the beginning of the class, I asked you one question, that the cash book in which we record the small payment, it is called as what? So I hope that you all got the answer now. Answer was D, petty cash book. The cash book in which we record the small payments of cash, it is called as petty cash book. This is your answer. And this was a short and simple class. So with this, your class is over. So balle balle. That's it for today. We have completed one another topic, that is simple petty cash flow. And in next class, we will complete this chapter. We will do the analytical petty cash flow. So if you guys want to attend more such classes with me, then you can take Vedantu Commerce Pro subscription, in which we will be providing you all these benefits. So in the Pro subscription, you will be getting more than 5,000 hours of live courses. We will be providing you unlimited live classes. Then not only accounts is provided, we are providing you all the subjects: accounts, economics, business studies and mathematics. All the subject will be covered in detail. सारे के सारे subject detail में करवाए जाएंगे. We will provide you assignments also at the end of every class. यहाँ पर आपको assignment नहीं मिलते assignment, तो वहाँ पर मिलेंगे. And we will provide you the best teachers of India. Then you can ask all your doubts there also. Like you can chat here with us. Similarly, you can chat there also. You can ask all your doubts in the live classes. And last but not the least, you can learn from home from any device. It's so simple to attend our classes because you need not go anywhere. आप अपने घर से मोबाइल नेटवर्क के थ्रू हमारी क्लासेस अटेंड कर सकते हैं. And right now we are providing you some big amount of discount. We are providing you up to 75% discount. So go and find out the link in the description box and grab it quickly before this discount and before this limited time deal ends. So jaldi se jaiye and enroll for the Pro subscription today, guys. Now in the next class, we will be doing analytical petty cash book. So we'll see you all in the next class on Friday at 9 p.m. Till then, please stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself. And if you guys are new to our channel, please take a moment to hit that red icon to subscribe our channel for more such classes. So do subscribe our channel, and if you like this class, if you enjoyed it, then do like it and do share it with your friends. तो चलिए अब आप लोगों से मुलाकात होगी अगली क्लास में. We'll see you all on next Friday at same time. Till then, please stay home and take care of yourself. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much for attending our class. Thank you for giving me your valuable time. Now, good night, have sweet dreams and take care and bye-bye.